Right, so in this video, I wanna break down the song "Great Are You, Lord." Is your breath in our lungs? That song. So we're gonna do this. I'm gonna break it down in three keys, right? The original song is in A, so I'm gonna start first with the original key. From there, we'll take it to. I don't wanna do a lot of keys because I don't wanna make this video to be long. But I'm also gonna cover the two keys that I've noticed to be popular, especially on my channel, especially when people are requesting, song tutorials. So I'm also gonna do this in C sharp, and I'm gonna cover this in F sharp. This is gonna be a total breakdown. I'm not gonna do the cover. I'm not gonna play along, but it's gonna be the total breakdown of the song. So the song it starts off with there is an intro that is played there, on the piano, and it's basically a progression of 4 6 5, and they're playing the same thing actually on the verse as well. So it goes like this. For beginners, starting off just gonna be a 4. Can play a normal 4, right? 6, right? It's the basic one, right? If you like, so what I like to do is what you can improve it, right? Or you can advance it, or this can be another way of playing it if you don't want to just play it the normal way in the key of A. So this is how you can do it. Sorry. Right, so you're gonna be playing starting, remember, still going from 4 uh 6 5, right? I'm playing G major 7 instead, right? Instead of just playing a normal, right? And then I'm going to 6. I'm playing a B suspended 2, and I'm adding the A there, right? So let's take it again. Let me just play it only with my right hand so you can see this slowly, right? My fingers are on the first thumb, my thumb is on A, and then the second finger is on C sharp, the third one is on D, the last one is on F sharp. In numbers, I'm on 1 2 1 2 3 4, then it's gonna be 1 2 3 4 5 6 6, yeah, right? So sorry, this one, yeah, not this one. This should give you G major 7, right? Let's do that again from 4, right? Then 4. So instead of going to the normal A, because what you can do, D major 7, B suspended to fret A, and then play E major 7, right? Instead of playing, so this will be your normal 5, right? This will be the inversion of the 5, right? But instead of just playing your normal 5, you can add this the number 3 in the scale of A, which is C sharp, right? It's gonna give you an E major 6, right? Right. So in all, 4 6 5 advance is gonna be like this, right? And on the verse, you play the same. You give love, okay, let me just because I'm reading it. You give love, you are love, you bring light to the darkness, you give hope, you restore every heart that is broken. And if you chorus, the same thing. Great are you, Lord. Right, play the same thing. So do the same thing. Okay, so let's look at the last way that you can play this, right? Still in the key of A. We're gonna suspend the chords, right? You can do this instead, right? I'm playing in suspended 4, A suspended 4. I suspended the A, suspended 4, and then I still keep my 6. I still play the same one, and then I'm gonna suspend my B as well, right? I'm gonna suspend my B as well. It's gonna be suspended 4. So my A and my B, I suspend them. So altogether, this is how it goes. Right? Or maybe I can do this. Let me do this. Let me do this. Sorry. I'm thinking of bringing the 6 here. So let's see how that goes. It sounds much better for me. Right? So that's another way of how you can play this progression 465. The chorus is still the same progression, right? The only time this progression changes is when it goes to the bridge. So when they sing the chorus, is your breath in our lungs, so we pour out the praise, pour out the praise, your breath in our lungs, so we pour out our praise, so the same progression from the verse to the pre-chorus to the chorus. So you give life, you pray 465, pre-chorus, and great are you Lord 465, and the chorus is your breath 465. I mean, sorry, 465. And when they go back to the second verse, it's still the same progression. Now the bridge, right? The bridge, it goes like this. So that one that says all the earth. So starting from one. All the earth will shout your right. We're playing a minor chord there. You can see that it's a little bit offish, out of the scale of whatever key that you're playing, right? I actually kind of like the songs that moves like this, that would require you to add a minor chord there, right? So the bridge is all this from one, right? And I'm playing a minor chord there. In this case, I'm playing an E minor, right? Then I'm going to then one, right? Let's break that down slowly. Beginner level, 1, right? 1, right? Playing 1, and I'm playing E minor. But while I'm playing E minor, on my left hand, I'm playing a G, right? I'm playing G on my left hand. My fingers on G. On my right hand, I'm playing E minor. Because if I was to play this, if I was to play this, sorry, it's gonna give me an E major, right? So I'm just bringing this here down, and it gives me an E minor. So again, slowly, only on my right hand, slowly, and I can just invert it here. It's gonna be giving me the first inversion instead of playing the second inversion. The first inversion. All the earth will shout your praise, our heart will cry, these bones will cry, break. Right, again, and from 1, both hands now. All the earth will shout your praise, our heart will. A minor chord, that E minor. On my right hand, I'm playing. It's gonna be. Let me see. This is. Yeah, so I'm just gonna call them in letters because sometimes it's easier to. It's E, G, and then B, right? Then for. For the last time, right? And then you move to other keys. And that's the end of the song. That's the entire song basically. And from the bridge on the original song, they go back to the chorus, and it's one of those songs where the progression is just simple. But look, there are always other ways where you can, improve this progression. But that's how you can play the song, right? Let's move on now to the key of C sharp. Right. So now let's move on to the next key, which is gonna be the C sharp. Right. I'm gonna do the same thing, and I'm gonna be a little bit faster now so that this video is not that long, right? We're gonna do the same progression that we did in the key of A. Now we're in the key of C sharp, right? This is a scale, right? The intro we're gonna start is the same 4 6 5, right? Let's play the intro slowly, right? Again, then you go to the verse, right? So the verse, you give love, you allow, you bring light to the dark. The same thing, right? If you wanna play major 7, this will be it. Remember we play D major 7 in the key of A. So in the key of C sharp, this is what you can do. So you can just extend this, and then now your pinky finger or whatever finger that you prefer to use, you're gonna play your 4, and then if you wanna use 4 fingers, the last one is gonna be on 3. So it's gonna be, right? Same thing. Then pre-chorus. Great are you, Lord. Then the chorus. Is your breath in us? So we pour praise, pour the praise. Is your breath in us? So we pour praise to you. Right? Now let's move on to the bridge. The bridge, like I said, it's gonna be, we are adding a minor chord there, so it's gonna be, oh glory. So the minor chord that I'm playing there, I'm playing a G sharp or an A flat minor chord, right? So starting from 1, I'm using the second inversion of 1, and then we use the first inversion, and I'm gonna invert this minor chord as well. So slowly, 1, then the minor chord, right? I've inverted this. So basically playing in numbers, it's just gonna be your 2, your 5, and now this number here is not within your scale, so we're gonna call it in its letters. It's gonna be B, right? Because I'm playing a G sharp minor or an A flat minor, right? For the last time, let's go. Our hearts will cry, this voice will sing, right? And that's how you play the song. Now let's move on to F sharp. Now let's move in the key of F sharp. We're in the key of F sharp. Right, this is gonna be a scale. Right, let's go straight into it. It's a progression 4 6 5. Sorry, 4 6 5. Yeah, from 4. Right, right, begin a level. Sorry, begin a level. There you go. 4. If you want to 6, note of 5 again. Bass, play the same thing. You are love, so you bring light to the darkness. You give hope, you restore every heart that is broken. Then you can advance this when you go to pre-chorus. And then now let me do that for the last time. Playing D major 7, right? I'm playing your D minor 7. So I'm basically playing the root note of 6 D minor, and I'm adding 5 there. It's giving me D minor 7. Okay, let's not do too much. Let's just play, right? Let's play the normal 5 again. Now let's go to the bridge, right? The bridge, starting from 1. Holy head will shout your I'll do that again from the second version of 1. Slowly. 1, right? Then I'm playing this C sharp minor chord on my left hand. My finger is on E, right? I'm playing a C sharp minor chord. So from one, taking it from the first inversion, I'm gonna invert this minor chord. So again. Back to 1. Again the bridge. All the earth will shout your praise, our heart will cry, these bones will sing, great. Okay, the normal form. Great are you, Lord. Now I'm gonna read 1. And that's how you play Great Are You Lord in the ordinal key of A. And you can also play this or learn this from this video in the key of C sharp. And we've covered the song also in the key of F sharp. I hope this helped you, right? So this was the Great Are You Lord piano breakdown in the key of A, C sharp, and F sharp. Until next time, take care.